that's Mandy.
And if you're at all interested, this is our little story. We decided we didn't like working for major companies or working for ourselves, and we prefer a simpler, happier life.
We wanted to have an adventure.
We did.
That's what we wanted to have, an adventure.
So probably halfway through 2016, we decided we should sell up our property and buy a boat. So in February, we found our beautiful boat, a 40-foot Beneteau.
Oh, hang on. We decided to sell the property, and once we decided on it,
It was like magic.
it was like just sold, just like that. Bang.
Yeah.
It was amazing. Yeah.
Yeah. So we simplified life like fully. We sold everything. We had garage sales. We just got rid of everything, which is
There was a lot of stuff.
really liberating in a way we never even envisaged. It was just the most awesome thing we could have done. You don't realise how much all this stuff weighs you down, holds you back.
And then we've been looking for a boat for ages online. So going through sort of what we wanted and that sort of thing. We always like the Beneteau and the Genos. Just a lot of thing is like they're well renowned, they're well designed for one thing, but also we were thinking resale value when and if that came around. Well, I sailed when I was a kid, like little boats only, like laser twos and little catamarans, and was a mad keen windsurfer, so I did lots of windsurfing, but never anything on a boat this size. That's for sure. Yep, so we ended up deciding on and buying this, which is a Beneteau 39.3, so it's just under 40 feet. It was in really good nick. We got it off an old fellow. He really looked after it.
It's our dog.
Leo. Yeah, Leo.
Didn't know if he was going to make it. He was pretty cool.
Original crew.
He was pretty cool. He's only a puppy still. He's 15 months old.
He's just a little puppy.
He's-
And then, what was it, June or something last year? Yeah. So, and we sailed up to the Whitsundays. So, and it was, we hit a few rough patches and whatever.
But nothing
But
like
no, overall it was a
Beautiful.
pretty pleasant journey, yeah. And then thought, wow, what a great idea to go around Australia. And
What a challenge.
What a challenge, how exciting, yeah? Okay, so just showing you top sides of the boat. As we probably said, it's a 393 Beneteau. This is all the cockpit area, stern of the boat. Everything runs back to here, so that's pretty handy. All of our winches are all in here. Only thing we really need to go up the front for is if we need to take a reef in the mainsail. 2 reefs there, winches there, everything. Instrument panel, know what we're doing? Mm-hmm. Yep, up the front.
Swim deck.
Swim deck, davit, solar panels.
Beautiful sunset.
Janara at the front. It's on a furler, makes it really cool so you can get any sort of size sail that you want depending on wind strength. All their goodies and their toys. Hanging off the side, our brand new mainsail, look at that. Yeah.
Okay, this is our beautiful home downstairs. We're looking a bit haggard today because it's go-go day. We're leaving Ellie Beach, so we've been stocking up, cleaning. We like to get everything clean, the bilges clean, so that if the boat fills with water, the pumps work. We like to have everything lined down, ready to go. This is our kitchen, our dining room. This is a great little 2-burner stove. It's got a grill underneath and an oven, which is awesome. In here you'll find Maddie and Matt's bedroom and all their stuff.
So we've got it lined up against the walls. She's pretty small, but she's comfortable.
And this is their toilet and shower. The bucket is in there so that with any cold water that comes through before the hot, we collect and use that for cleaning and whatnot. In this room here, on the other side of the stairs, is our storeroom, which as you can see is jam-packed, but
It's a bit of a nightmare
it's a bit of a
sometimes.
nightmare. This is the captain's area. We've actually pulled out the captain's chair so we could fit a big freezer in, which works very, very well. Poker case for playing poker. this is our room. This is where me and Peter sleep, which is very good in calm weather and rolly weather. We sometimes have to lift up the side and put a pillow in. So
They get the nicer bedroom.
Peter doesn't roll out. Keep sheets and towels in there. We have stuff under the bed. We have some drawers, a wardrobe. In here is our bathroom and shower. So I'll just show you this. When you have a shower, you just pull that out and you can pop it here.
Yeah.
Same thing, we have a bucket there to collect any excess water that we use.
And then you can see the hatch takes us up here. And we're up on top of the boat.
This little thing, you may be wondering what this is. This is the anchor remote, which actually pops back down in there. But Matt's actually pulling anchor here at Ellie right now, so it's in use.
Yeah. That's her.
And she's beautiful and we love her.
He spat it. Fuck. Yeah.
He's gone?
Yeah.
Matt's got his harness on because of how rough the seas are right now. We've just made it to Bundaberg after would have been about 8 hours sail.
Shit, longer.
Longer?
Yeah, probably like 9, I reckon.
Yeah, probably about 9 hours.
Little
It
to
was
no
fun.
fish. Hey, I'm Matt,
I'm Maddie.
and this is Penny. We're both 22 years old. We've just recently got married, and we've decided to sail around Australia for 12 months. It's something we thought about doing for a while now. We saved up a fair bit of coin, blew that on a wedding, and then have saved like mad since to be able to do it. We never really given sailing a thought at all. Neither of us have any experience. I always thought it was sort of out of our grasp. I didn't know it was a thing that a lot of people did, and it's actually a really cheap and exciting lifestyle.
We always thought it was for rich people. We're not rich.
No, not even close.
So we are sailing with my parents. They actually own the boat. We were saving for our own boat, but they decided to go around Australia for 12 months. They invited us along because it would be easier with a four people on board rather than just the two of them.
We really wanted to go, so we thought, why not take this opportunity to go around and see the best parts of Australia.
This girl. Huh? Off grid totally. No range, nobody in sight.
Oh my god, that just smells heavenly.
Doing the last watch before the sun comes up. Definitely the best watch to do. The sun coming up in the morning is just gorgeous. We're about 7 miles from Great Keppel. I'll wake everyone up in another hour and a half or so. And yeah, it's all beautiful.
Yeah, I know, and he's already run a heap of lines.
You've got watches. Yeah, I'm alright. Oh, look at him! He's huge! Don't roll!
Yeah, he does. He looks like a wahoo or something. He's a fucking wahoo.
He's pretty.
Here come all. Fucking Jesus! Look at that!
Holy shit!
He's got to go down here. Oh, I should put him down there, eh?
Look, he's got big teeth. Don't put him in my
The size of it! Yeah! That's a big
Alright, thanks for watching our video. If you liked it, then give it a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. We really want to continue making some more videos about our trip around, so that
This is
would
our
really
very
help.
first one.
Yeah, hope you liked it. Bye.
See ya.